Hi, I'm Mary Jo Boyd, here with another eBite from Attorney Computer Systems. Today's eBite is in PracticeMaster, and I'm going to show you how to configure your Outlook settings in version 17. There is some changes that they have done in the toolbar, and I want to show you where those are and how to turn them on and off. So in our toolbar plugins, we still have our Outlook plugin. That has not changed. But before, when people were saving emails and they had their Journal On button turned on in Outlook, it would journal those emails every single time on the sent emails, whether or not you wanted it to or not. And if you wanted that off, you had to click PM off, PM Journal off. And if you click the PM Journal off, then it stayed off again until you clicked it on again. And a lot of times people were clicking it on and forgetting that they had it on, and it kept popping, and it would just kind of be a little of annoyance for them. So in Outlook now, underneath our options, and underneath add-ins, and then under add-in options, we now have a PracticeMaster, I guess you could call it a master setting default here. So if you want the journal to always be enabled or always be disabled, you can do that. Same thing with calendar and fee. And then if you are actually in a record and you want to journal, let's say that we have the journal turned off, it's disabled, but you want to journal this particular email and you click PM Journal On, journal the email, it's not going to default to staying on anymore. It will not be enabled after you click that. It's going to default back to these settings that you set up on this screen. So that is very important. If you set these on, you can change it within the email and not have it go back and stick every time. It's going to come back and go to your default settings. Same thing with the record linking, and there's some other settings in here that you can do as well for your journaling options, your column indicators now. If you want the little J, C, and F to show up before your email, you can set that right here very easily on the column indicators button. You'll select your folder and you can add that little J, C, and F. And all that does is after you've journaled an email or calendared an email or billed for an email, it will put a little J to tell you that you've journaled it, a little C that you've calendared it, or a little F that you've billed it. So that's just helpful at the end of the day to look at your inbox or your sent box and see which emails that you have billed or journaled already. So there you have it, the new toolbars in Outlook or the new settings screen. I hope it's been helpful. If you have any questions or comments, you can always contact us at our website, www.attorneycomputersystems.com, or call us on our 800 number. Thank you.